Hi, welcome to tip number 8. We're looking at power tapping. Done a bit of power tapping with my mill lately. My mill doesn't have any special features. Some other mills have a tapping mode and everything like that, but I've just set mine to pretty much minimum speed. But what you need to be successful with that is either spiral flute taps or spiral point taps. It's a spiral point tap. Spiral flute taps are intended for drilling blind holes, and the flutes drive the swarf back up the flutes, much like a drill bit. Spiral point taps have got the push the swarf the other way, and they're intended for through holes. Now this set that I bought from Arc Eurotrade, it's a fairly recent addition to their selections, a Cobalt set. It is by far and away the best taps I've ever used, and I've used some fancy ones at work, but what it means is I can put one of these taps in the mill and I'm not afraid to just plunge it in under power and tap a hole. So if you fancy having a go at power tapping, definitely get yourself a decent set of either spiral point or spiral flute taps. Obviously spiral flutes you can use for through holes as well, but spiral points will push the swarf to the bottom of a blind hole, so best avoided for that. There is a third option. It's these Hex Drill Taps, which you put in your hand drill probably. I doubt they're terribly concentric because these were about £6 off eBay. They do work and they tap holes, but I'm not sure I'd want to put them in any hard materials. Fine for aluminium and plastics. I'm not sure I'd want to put it through steel, but they do work, and they're incredibly cheap, and they're effectively spiral flute taps.